Hi, I'm Dr. Anna Ong-Lim. I'm a pediatric infectious disease specialist, and I'm here to respond to some assumptions about the COVID-19 vaccines that you may be seeing online. Vaccines are effective even if the development and production were fast-tracked. The answer to this is true. Because of the needs brought about by the pandemic, the previous sequential development paradigm for vaccines that took years for development was prioritized so that overlapping phases were accepted without compromising safety and efficacy. Once I get vaccinated, I will still need to wear a face mask and face shield and continue social distancing. The answer to this is true. As we mentioned earlier, we don't know whether these vaccines are actually going to be able to prevent infection or forward transmission. So to be safe, we continue to implement these personal protective measures. COVID-19 vaccines will change my DNA. The answer is false. The vaccine platform that most closely corresponds to this will be the mRNA vaccines. And as we know from the name, these are RNA products which do not have the capacity to interact with human DNA. COVID-19 vaccines will affect fertility. The answer is false. None of the vaccines that currently exist are known to do this. And certainly the COVID-19 vaccines will also not fulfill this criteria. Pharmaceutical companies installed microchips on the vaccines. Again, this is false and quite impossible. Ivermectin is an alternative to getting the COVID vaccine. False. Ivermectin is currently not proven to prevent or treat COVID-19. And even if it were so, none of the drugs are considered to be an alternative to vaccines, because what we want to happen is to utilize vaccines as an extra layer of protection to make sure that we can prevent disease more efficiently. We will still need testing now that we have vaccines. The answer is true. Testing is something that is required to identify people who are sick or who may have been exposed to COVID-19, whether or not they are vaccinated. Taking just one dose of a 2-dose series of vaccines will make me immune to the virus. The answer is false. The reason why we want to give 2 doses is because we want to optimize or maximize the protection that we receive from the complete series. Vaccines are enough to bring our lives back to normal. The answer is false. Much as we hope that this will be the answer, a combination of interventions will still be necessary.